Hi there, and welcome to our latest project located here in the heart of Zurich. It's an airy, clean and minimal space with fun pops of colors and a lot of personality. Let me show you around. Entering the apartment, the first area we see is the dining area with the kitchen. Here we try to keep it very minimalistic in terms of colors and materials. This area is dedicated mainly to entertain your guests and have gatherings with your family and friends. What makes this space very special is this corner dedicated to one of the biggest passions of our client, which is music. And so we wanted to keep it in mind and gather all the items related to this hobby here in the main gathering area. So here we are in the living room. One of the main requirements for this room was to keep the furniture as neutral as possible. So we carefully selected all the furniture pieces and fabrics to match this requirement. And the idea was to keep the walls blank so the client can select the artworks and swap them whenever he wants. So we are not limited by the color concept that we've selected for the furniture itself. So here we are in the second floor. We have this open niche for an office, and there is an ergonomic chair and a high adjustable desk just to make it practical. Here we have the master bedroom. It's a space to relax, and we try to keep it as neutral as possible. So there are rarely colors, except some artwork and decorative cushions. So here in the second floor we have this open space area which is dedicated to the guest room, but also it acts as a reading corner with a cozy armchair, an ottoman and a reading light. Here we have a partial room divider because in the second half of this space we have a small guest room with a convertible sofa and some storage space for the guest. As the last part of this beautiful apartment, let me show you the outdoor space, which is located in the heart of the city.